Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, trip computer, compass, overhead console, remote keyless entry, dual zone climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.